Hello everybody, it's Charlsie. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's make a quiche. We're going to start with a defrosted pie crust, ready-made, some steamed broccoli. We've got 4 eggs, some holiday ham chopped, 2 kinds of cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, mushrooms, and some heavy cream. So let's put this together. Start with the ham, and you're going to layer it in the bottom of the pie crust. And honestly, I couldn't wait for the holidays because I love this quiche. And it's a great way to use leftover ham. And I've used about 1.5 cups. Really, you can, use as much ham as you want. Now we'll add the broccoli. I'm going to pull out the smaller florets for this. If they were too big, I would definitely chop them. But there are plenty of small ones, so worked out beautifully. So again, just layer this on. And quiche is something that you can be creative with. Instead of ham, you could use salmon. I mean, there's all sorts of variations. And you know how I am, just get creative in the kitchen. I have these beautiful baby bella mushrooms. I'm like, oh, let's make a quiche, but I'm going to add some mushrooms. So here we go. I'm not going to use all of these because somebody in my house doesn't really like mushrooms. So I'm only going to put it on half of the quiche. That somebody loves quiche, but not mushrooms. So there we go. And the mushrooms are raw. I'm going to add a little bit of Paul Prudhomme's Vegetable Magic. And we'll do a few cracks of black pepper and a little bit of salt. If you're watching your salt intake, you can skip this step because the vegetable magic will give it enough flavor. Now we're going to add all of this cheese. It's about 6 ounces of cheese. I kind of eyeballed it this time, but you definitely want almost a cup. And we'll just spread that around evenly. And did you know that you can freeze mozzarella? I didn't know that. But I did a little research after I bought the gigantic bags at Costco. And you can freeze it. So you want to whisk up your eggs and add that 1 cup of heavy cream. You don't have to use heavy cream. You can use whole milk or even half and half. I just love the flavor and really the fat content of heavy cream because it satisfies your hunger. And frankly, 1 slice of this quiche is gonna fill you up. So we're just going to try to pour this in evenly. There we go. I'm so proud I didn't spill any this time. Woohoo! So I'm just trying to distribute that milk and egg And then the last thing I'm going to do is just pat that down. And then into the oven for about an hour at 375. Here is a baked quiche. It has been cooling for 30 minutes, and now I'm going to slice into it and show you exactly what it looks like. So here we go. You can see the broccoli, a little bit of mushroom peeking out. I mean, it's just fabulous. So thanks for watching, and let's cook some more together.